Hola, amigos. Today, I'll show you how to make the most delicious and authentic Mexican street corn, also known as elote. It's a popular street food in Mexico, and I promise you'll love it. It is what you'll need. Fresh corn on the cob, mayonnaise, sour cream, cotija cheese or queso fresco, chili powder or tajín, fresh lime, fresh cilantro, optional. Now, let's get started. First, we need to remove the silks from the corn. Gently peel back the husks, but don't remove them entirely. Next, soak the corn in cold water for about 10 minutos. These will help keep the corn moist and prevent it from burning on the grill. While the corn is soaking, let's make the creamy sauce. In a bowl, mix equal parts of mayonnaise and sour cream. Now, take the cotija cheese, or queso fresco, and crumble it into another bowl. Once the grill is hot, place the soaked corn on the grill, and cook it for about 10-15 minutos. Turn it occasionally until you see some nice charred spots. Now it's time to assemble the elote. Take the grilled corn and brush the creamy sauce generously all over it, making sure to coat it entirely. Next, roll the sauced corn in the crumbled cotija cheese. Make sure the cheese sticks to the creamy sauce. For an extra kick, sprinkle chili powder or tajín over the cheese. These will add some spice and tanginess to your elote. Finally, squeeze some fresh lime juice over the corn to enhance the flavors. If you like, garnish with chopped fresh cilantro for an extra burst of freshness. There you have it, authentic Mexican street corn. The perfect combination of creamy, cheesy, spicy, and tangy flavors that'll transport you to the streets of Mexico. Enjoy your elote on a stick or by holding the husk handle. It's messy but oh so delicious. Buen provecho.